Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup look, makeup tutorial, whatever you want to call this. I don't know what I'm going to call this yet. Maybe a get ready with me, I'm not sure. And it's based off of this makeup that I am wearing right now. And I just want to let you guys know that if this eyeshadow look looks really familiar, it's because it's from Allie Gines. I think that's how her last name is pronounced. It's from her makeup tutorial that she did with the Jaclyn Hill vaults. So I'm not taking credit for this eyeshadow at all. I just wanted to mention if this eyeshadow look looks familiar to you guys, like while I'm doing it, that is why. So I'm not taking credit for any of this. I love doing these makeup videos, but I am not any kind of makeup artist whatsoever. So I just want to let you guys know that. I don't know if I'm going to title this my spring makeup look, my summer makeup look, because this was definitely my spring makeup look, so I don't know if I'm going to come up with a new look for summer or not. But I guess we will find out once this video is uploaded. I think that's it, so let's get started. So I'm going to start off with doing my eyes first, and I'm going to use my Urban Decay Primer Potion to prime my lids. So now I'm going to take my Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette in Ring the Alarm. So now I'm going to take Rush. I'll try to put something there so you guys know which shadow it is. But I'm going to take Rush and put that in my crease. And I will be using a Morphe 332 brush. So now I'm going to take Alert and put that in the same place as Rush. Now I'm going to take Siren and place that on the outer corner of my eyes. And I will be using my Morphe M506 brush. Now I'm going to take Lolly and place that on the inner third of my eye. I am using a Morphe M124 brush. Then I am taking Boom and placing that right in the middle. Now I'm going to go back into Siren and just blend these colors out. So now I'm just going to take a makeup wipe and clean up the mess under my eyes. So now I'm going to go onto my primer, and I'm going to take my e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer and just put this all over my face. And then I'm going to let it try to sink into my skin for like 10 minutes. So it's been a little longer than 10 minutes just because I had to wet my beauty blender, so I wanted to let that dry for a little bit. But now I'm back, and for my foundation I will be using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. This is my absolute favorite foundation. I have been using this, unless I try a new foundation, I have been using this foundation every time I do my makeup, so it is really good. Now for powder, I'm going to use my Rimmel Stay Matte powder. And I'm using a Real Techniques brush to put this on. So now I will be taking my Maybelline Better Skin concealer and putting this underneath my eyes. I'm now going to blend it out with my beauty blender, and if you hear people talking while I'm talking, it's because my mom has a friend over, so that's why. Now I'm going to take my Coty Airspun Loose Powder and set my concealer. So now I will be taking my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and using that to bronze my cheeks. And I will be using my Morphe R2 brush, which this is a new brush, so we'll see how this goes. So now I'm going to take my Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso and put that on my cheeks. So now I am using my Becca highlighter in Champagne Pop. I'm going to put that on the high points of my cheek. So now I will be using my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So now I will be using my Smashbox Always On Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Babe Alert. So now I will be using my Urban Decay All Nighter makeup spray to set my makeup. So that was it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys, or makeup look, whatever you want to call it, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below and click that bell for notifications when I upload videos once a week, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!